Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Zendaya Yara Shahidi inspired wavy curly look. This actually is stemming from a failed blowout, so if you didn't see my previous video, go ahead and give that a watch and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's get into it. Starting off on my kind of blown out, not really kind of hair, it's just, I don't really know what to call that. Go ahead and part your hair into 4 sections. This is going to help the process go a lot faster and a lot easier. In with smaller sections, I'd say this is about 1 inch. I like to detangle, then place a dime-sized amount of gel, detangle again to just distribute the products. I will put my Flexi rod on my hair and wrap my hair around the Flexi rod as opposed to wrapping my hair up the Flexi rod. This way my hair dries a lot faster. I get the curl definition or the curl that I'm looking for. It's time for you to repeat the steps all over until your hair is complete. So the first step is to detangle, apply a dime-sized amount of gel, and notice that I'm doing it from mid-shaft down. I'm not doing it exactly on the root so that my hair will dry faster. Wrap your hair around the rod as if it's a curling wand and bend it in the opposite direction that you curled your hair to lock it in place. At this point, I ran out of Flexi rods, so I just grabbed a random perm rod that I had laying around somewhere and put that in the front of my head. It was a little bit different, but it ended up looking really nice with the rest of my hair. It's time to take down the hair. To be honest with you guys, I could have let it dry for maybe another hour. It was still a little bit damp when I was taking it out, but I was so tired. I was just like, you know what? I'm taking this out now. It's got to go. But if you let it dry till it's completely dry, you will have the best results. Now I am stretching my hair and the blow dryer is on high speed and low heat so that I don't damage my hair or anything, but you can see there is a huge difference between before I stretched it and after I stretched it. In order to get more voluminous and voluptuous and juicy looking wavy curls, I don't even know, that's all the adjectives I could think of to describe why I do this. So I like to separate my hair, and as I'm separating it, I will twirl it into the same direction that I originally curled it so that the curls can set in place. I flip my hair over to the side, massage my scalp. It gives me a nice carefree look. Thank you guys so much for coming through to watch this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I wish you guys all the love, light, and good vibes, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!